and also would be released as early as possible.
In an effort to resolve the ongoing deadlock between the Karbi community and the Pnar community caused by the establishment of the entry tax gate by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC in Khanduli, the chairman of the respective regional committees of Assam and Meghalaya will visit Khanduli village in the West Janta Hills district after Independence Day celebrations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma shared this information with reporters on Thursday. Sangma acknowledged that the entry tax gate still exists in Khanduli, but there is no longer any tax collection taking place.
As far as our knowledge goes, that the respective that location, the tax collection is as such is not happening anymore, but the gate is still there, and there is a bit of confusion between Assam government from the Karbi Autonomous District Council and the Assam state government and us, and that is the reason why the two chairmen are going there to resolve this issue and whatever the confusion that is there, to sort out those confusions so that we can have peace in the region again.